What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about a project that I've been working on lately. I call it My Coupons. It's a Droid app slash web service. I actually got this idea from my wife getting into couponing. She started watching that show on TLC called Extreme Couponing, and then she started collecting a few coupons here and there. And I thought maybe I could make something for her where she could keep track of all of her coupons. And I'll show you the app and the website, and give you a few possible improvements to it. So here is the Droid app. I would record this from an emulator on my computer, but I kind of need to be able to use the barcode scanner app. So that'd be a little hard to do. So anyways, if I go into my Coupons app here, here's the interface. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's very simple. It's just it's a big scan button, and then over here that actually says barcode list. Alright, so if I got a couple of coupons down here, I'm going to scan. So when I hit the scan button, it uses what's called an intent to launch the barcode scanner app. So this actually won't work unless you have the barcode scanner app installed. And so basically when I scan one of these coupons here, see, that says found product, and then it shows you the barcode and tells you it was sent successfully. Now what that means is I scanned this barcode with a barcode scanner app, which returned the result back to my app, which I forwarded to a PHP script on my web server, and that inserted it into a database, and it returned that it was successful, and then it actually added this barcode to the barcode list over here. I'm going to do this again with this other coupon I have. Found product, sent successfully. Okay, so that's that, and I'll show you the website now. And here is the web interface. As you can see, I've already scanned a few barcodes. I have a few columns here. I actually get these columns from the barcode data, which is actually a 12-digit number. This doubles column here, if the first number of the barcode is a 5, this is checked, which means it can be doubled or tripled. If it's a 9, it would be unchecked. Okay, the manufacturer and product. The next 5 digits are the manufacturer ID, but I could not find a list of manufacturer IDs anywhere. 5 digits would be 100,000 different possibilities. Apparently that doesn't exist anywhere, or I'm sure it exists, we just don't have access to it. And then the product is actually the next 3 digits of the barcode. Each manufacturer has its own list of products. So as you can see, these manufacturers and products I've already scanned before. So when it loads this page, it finds in the database the same manufacturer ID and pulls this description. Same thing with the product. These two right here I haven't had before, so they're empty. The value, the next 2 digits of the barcode is the value, meaning there's only 100 different possibilities. So I actually have all of these. The category is based on the manufacturer and product combination. So if I've already set, the category from doing this previously, it's going to load it in there and be disabled. Okay, barcodes don't contain any expiration information or store information. So these are here for you to add whatever you want to put in there. And actually, I don't think I've refreshed yet since I scanned those last 2 barcodes. Yep, you see these 2 just popped up. Those were the 2 barcodes I scanned a few minutes ago. So if I take this one I just scanned, I can't remember, so we're just gonna say test, and product is, I don't know, test 2. Category, I've got a list already here. Doesn't matter, just pick one. Snacks. Expiration date, we'll say is 2012, 1 store, doesn't matter. Notes, this was a test barcode, and then save it. And you'll notice it goes away. What actually happens there is it gets stored in the coupons table. Since it was a new manufacturer and product, those were also stored, and is also removed from here if it was successful. Okay, so now we got the coupons tab up here, and it's the same thing as the barcode, except you've got this already in here. This one right here is the one I just saved at the bottom. If I want to edit this, if I click edit, it'll let you change the expiration, the store, and the notes. This doubles column and this value, they're not gonna change. But if you want to change manufacturer, product, or category, actually you can save this and refresh just to show you that it actually worked. Okay, but like if I want to change, like the name of this manufacturer I said was test, I can go into the list of manufacturers, find the one that says test, and this is the actual manufacturer ID that's on the barcode. I got two options here, products and edit. If I click products, it'll show you a list of all of the saved products for test, or this ID. Say I want to change test to, I don't know, toy maker. Save it. Okay. I'll go back to coupons. Now every coupon I had saved as test is now toy maker. You can only see that on this one here, but let's say this one I've saved Pupsy a few times, so let's change Pupsy to just Pup. I save that and go back to coupons. You'll see all the ones that said Pupsy are now changed to Pup. Okay, and say I want to change this test to on Toy Maker. I'll go back into manufacturers. I'll click products on Toy Maker, and it'll list me all of the products that I've saved. And you'll notice here it's also got the category. So if I edit this and I change test 2 to Fun Toy, and I want to change the category to something like toys, but it's not there, so I'll just save this for now, go back to coupons, and here it is. Okay, but say I want to have a category called toys. I can go into the categories tab, and this is just the incrementing ID right here, and a description. I actually have a new button at the bottom, which I don't believe you can see. Give me a second here. You can't really see it, but I have a new button where I can add a new category. But I'll just change one of these so you can see condiments. I'll change it back later, but I'll change this now to toys. Save that. Now if I go into manufacturers, click on Toy Maker products and edit, I can change this from snacks to toys. Save it. It's in here. Now a few improvements that I was thinking about making. First of all, the Droid app, really all that that's used for now is to scan the barcodes. but I could also make it where you could see all these tables and basically have the Droid app do the same thing as this web interface. Or I can also give or add the feature to sort all of these columns on every page, so you can maybe easily find what you're looking for. That'd be easily done. I could just add a like you click manufacturer and it'll sort all of your barcodes by, you know, manufacturer. That'd actually be really easy to do. I just have to requery the database for all the barcodes with an order by clause. Also, I was thinking about with the coupons, after the expiration date expired, you know, just remove them from the database, and also maybe send out an email to let you know that they have expired. That would have to be done by having a script though that runs, I'd say probably once a day, maybe once every morning, to let you know which coupons have expired. Go ahead and change this back to condiments because that's what it was before. All these categories I actually found somewhere else from like a couponing website. Like I said before, I started working on this because my wife got into couponing. But after I'd started working on it, you know, I thought she just had a few coupons. Well, I saw her one day trying to organize all her coupons, and they were all over the floor, and it looked like she had thousands of them. So I don't think this tool would be very useful for anyone that is an extreme couponer. That's why I haven't really put more work into perfecting all this stuff and trying to make it look better. This is actually the same style as my my website, agp86.com. But yeah, if you were to actually use this, it would take a long time to scan all of those coupons, and then you'd have to add information for each one and then save them, and it makes it even worse that I can't find a list of manufacturers anywhere, or it's just an extra step that you have to do. So that's my coupons project that I've been working on lately. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave comments on improvements or ideas or any other thoughts you may have about this. Also, feel free to leave me any projects you might find worthwhile, something you might actually use. I'm trying to think of some more ideas of projects to work on. Have a good day, everybody.